Okay, once again, I want to thank everybody for tuning in at Alterations Made Simple. And I'm here again with my trusty and lovely assistant, Felecia Jones. And we are going to show you how to do today 3 or 4 different kind of hymns. We're going to do a boat, we're going to do a military cut, and we're gonna do a French cut. What else are we gonna do, Felecia?
Boot cut.
A boot cut, yes. Okay, so let's get started. Let's do the boat first. We're gonna do a boat. Okay, so we're gonna bring the pant over here, and we're gonna measure it. We're gonna measure the pant for the boat. And a boat is simply a little split in the pant leg at the bottom. And you can do a boat either on the inside, the outside, and I have seen people doing the boat on both the inside and the outside. But just to show you how to do the boat, we're gonna do it on the inside. Let me get a razor blade. So we're gonna hem this up about 3.5 inches. So we'll mark our 3.5 inches. Where we're going to hem it up. And we're just gonna do one leg to show you how it's done. And we'll mark it at 3.5 inches. Now, I want to transfer this mark to the inside of the pant because that's where all the magic is going to happen in making the boat. And we're going to put the boat on the outside of the pant, and the boat is going to be here on this thing. So, we're going to turn the pant inside out. And this is our desired length right here. And we're gonna put 1.5 inch boat. So we'll measure it 1.5 inches up. And we'll also measure it 1.5 inches down. Okay. Now we'll take our blade and we're gonna open this seam up, okay? But we don't wanna open it all the way up. We wanna leave some of this closed off. And all we're doing is opening that seam up. And we want to go up past there just a little bit. Okay. Let's go a little further than that. All right. Okay, now we're going to transfer these marks to the back side because we got one side marked. We have it all marked. We're going to take it over to the machine and we're going to sew it by folding it here and sewing this down like that. Okay? And the same thing on this side, we'll fold it and sew it down like that. Once we have that done, we'll sew this seam back down and sew this seam back down. Okay. So let's take it over to the here is sew down to this line and stop. And the same thing here. All right, now that we have that, we're gonna sew it down, and this is actually making the bolt on the pant. And we're going to sew back up to this line. And stop. Now, what we're going to do is turn it back out and we'll put a hem in it. Okay, so we'll turn it back out and there's our bolt in the pant. But now we'll just hem the pant around. And we'll turn it inside out, take it to the iron and press it. And this will give us our bolt. And we're just going to press this out, turn it over, press it out. And actually it's hard to see the bolt if you do it just right. But the bolt is there, and that's what a bolt looks like in a pair of pants. It's just a little split, okay? And I've seen them with bolt on both the outside, or sometimes people like to put the bolt on the inside. And every now and then, you'll see somebody with a double bolt on the inside and the outside. But that's how you make a bolt in a pair of pants.